Starting a fitness journey is easy. Staying consistent is the hard part. Many people begin with too much excitement. They train every day, follow strict diets, and expect fast results. But after 1 or 2 weeks, they feel tired, sore, and disappointed. The problem is not a lack of discipline. The problem is trying to change everything at once. A sustainable fitness routine should begin with small and realistic goals. Instead of training 7 days a week, start with 3. Instead of spending 2 hours in the gym, begin with 30 minutes. Choose simple exercises that you understand and can perform safely. Walking, squats, push-ups, cycling, and basic strength training can already make a big difference. Your first goal should not be to build the perfect body. Your first goal should be to create the habit of showing up. Some workouts will feel amazing. Others will feel difficult. There will also be days when you have very little motivation. On those days, remember that a short workout is still better than doing nothing. 10 minutes of movement still counts. Progress is not always visible in the mirror. You may notice that you sleep better, have more energy, feel less tired during the day, or become stronger in everyday activities. These small changes are signs that your body is adapting. Rest is also part of fitness. Your muscles need time to recover, and your mind needs time to recharge. Training harder is not always the answer. Sometimes, sleeping well and taking a rest day will help you make more progress. Nutrition matters too, but you do not need a perfect diet. Focus on simple habits. Drink enough water, eat more whole foods, include enough protein, and avoid turning every meal into a strict calculation. Fitness should improve your life, not control it. Do not compare your beginning with someone else's progress. Everyone has a different body, schedule, and starting point. Focus on becoming a little stronger, healthier, and more active than you were yesterday. Real fitness is not built in 1 week. It is built through hundreds of small decisions. Start slowly, stay patient, and keep going. The routine you can maintain will always be more powerful than the perfect plan you cannot follow.